Hello, this is Rajesh Kulkarni. I am representing Hensel India here. About Hensel, Hensel is a German company, a very old company in Germany. We are basically a specialist in weatherproof enclosures. Here in India, we are based in Chennai, and we have been represented in around 35 Indian cities. Even in Hyderabad, we have our local manager here who takes care of Hyderabad and the surrounding areas. Basically, in this exhibition, we are focusing on the solar solutions that we have. Basically, if you see on my backside, we are focusing on the off-grid solutions we have for on-grid, off-grid, as well as the direct solutions for the solar industry. Mainly in India, solar is now becoming a very priority because everyone is trying to venture inside solar, but there is very limited knowledge in this department. So here what we are doing is we are educating every consumer who wants to enter into this kind of a solar power project. Uh, what we do is in the off-grid solutions we give only the balance of systems, that is from the PV generator that you can see on the back side. There's a solar module which converts the sunlight into DC power. So we gather all the DC in one single compartment. That's the solution that we offer. And from the DC solution, we have to convert it into the normal AC because every house uses the AC circuits. So we convert it via an inverter. An inverter is not a part that we supply. It's made by a specialized company, like for example SMA. It's a world #1 company, and they are the ones who supply that. We are only the interfaces in between. We also, in the off-grid system, it's not only generation, we also store it. So on the second side, if you see on the right side, there it's a way how we store the energy that we get from sunlight. It's a reverse distribution system here in the second side. But this is very critical because what we are talking about solar is all 1000 volt DC, and 1000 volt DC is very, very dangerous. That's why you need to have equipments and solutions that can cater to this 1000 volt DC demand. I mean, they should sustain this kind of a high voltage in DC. So all the systems that we offer in Hensel are all rated at 1000 volt DC for the DC side from the solar, and also we have for the high current side on the right side. You can see where we generate and store the energy. That also takes care of this kind of system, and we are quite positive on the Indian market because it's a new product, and many of them are still not aware of it, and everyone wants to take a share in this nice project. So I think this exhibition is a good platform, and in the electrical company who gives balance of systems, I think we are the only one here available. But then we find encouraging response from the industries and from the customers who are visiting us here. Thank you.